Hi, welcome to sunny Sunnyvale, California, where we're trying to hang a quilt outside before it starts to pour down rain. Welcome to National Quilting Day as well. I'm a board member of the Quilt Alliance. My name is Mary Kay Davis, and we suggested that today, since you can't make it to the National Quilt Museum, maybe you'd like to hang a quilt outside to, spruce up your community a little bit and bring a little sunshine into everybody's life. So I decided to hang up this quilt, which is called Explosion of Delight, and this quilt changed my life in a number of ways. I was working in a quilt shop called the Granary in Sunnyvale, and it was a national contest put on by P&B Textiles and Alex Anderson, and the grand prize was Alex Anderson would visit your quilt shop. So I entered the competition and I won. So I was pretty excited, and Alex came to our store, which was so crowded you couldn't walk from the front to the back of the store. You actually had to walk around the store just to get in to see her. And we had so much fun. And at the end of the day, she asked if I would submit a different quilt to her book, Neutral Essentials, which I did. And from there on, the rest is kind of history. I have now worked for Alex Anderson at thequiltshow.com for, 10 or 12 years, editing her newsletter and working on the site. And hopefully you've seen a bunch of pictures of quilts there. The other things I want to tell you about the quilt is the only reason I can remember the name is I remembered to put a label on the back of the quilt, so don't forget to label your quilts. I did, however, forgot to put the date, so remember to put the date as well for future quilters and future lovers of quilts to enjoy. And I also wanted to remind you that Quilters Take Manhattan is still a go as of right now, so we're hoping that those of us in the Quilt Alliance will see you in Manhattan in September. I'm wearing a Broadway jacket for a show I hope to see, Moulin Rouge. Hope it's there. Hope to see you there too. Thanks. Happy National Quilting Day.